began as a small group of Marines. 13 officers, 25 enlisted men, and 1 trainer plane would explode into an abundance of squadrons which have participated in numerous campaigns and battles, spanning from the sweltering jungles of the Pacific Theater in World War II to the unforgiving terrain of Afghanistan. With America fully engaged in a global war in 1942, the Marine Corps commissioned its 3rd Air Wing on its 167th birthday. In the following months, the newly formed 3rd Marine Air Wing would deploy and provide close air support and fighter cover to Allied troops in famous battles such as the Solomon and Philippine Islands and New Britain.
We needed to build up those aviation assets to support the divisions. Initially, we wanted 1 wing to support 1 division. And that was the reason for the creation of the 3rd Marine Air Wing, was to support those divisions.
After the surrender of the Japanese, the Air Wing would be decommissioned only to be brought back in 1952 to help during the Korean War to assist troops on the ground. It would continue to prove a vital asset to Marines on the ground during the Vietnam War, providing supply and air transport capabilities, as well as close air support. It wouldn't be until after the Vietnam War that units would be deactivated or redesignated to create the 3rd Marine Aircraft Wing of today. The wing saw action again, conducting operations in Iraq and Kuwait during Operation Desert Shield and Desert Storm. The fall of 2001 would reveal a new type of warfare, the War on Terror. 3rd MA would answer the call again and begin deploying units to assist coalition forces in fighting terrorist groups in Afghanistan and in liberating Iraq. Today, 3rd MA continues combat operations in southern Afghanistan, supporting coalition forces with close air support, troop and supply transport, and aerial reconnaissance. The 3rd Marine Aircraft Wing has a well-proven, battle-hardened history and stands ready to protect America's interest wherever they may lie. Reporting from Marine Corps Air Station Miramar, I'm Corporal Isaac Lambert.